Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another 3-second wig install, and today's wig is from SUNBERHAIR. This is their 4C Kinky Edge Kinky Curly Skin Melt Natural Hairline Lace Closure Jerry Curly Wig. You guys, this wig comes pre-plucked, it also comes pre-cut, and guess what? It is glueless and secure. She ain't going nowhere, okay? So if you guys want to see how I got this flawless glueless install look, just continue to watch. So as always, I have to give you guys a quick unboxing. One thing that SUNBERHAIR is going to do is send you a whole bunch of goodies along with the wig in itself, so you always have a surprise whenever you order from them. Alright, so here is the wig here. That is the curl pattern, you guys. The curl pattern is so pretty. This is a Jerry Curly curl pattern. Remember, this is their 4C Kinky Edge Kinky Curly Skin Melt Lace Closure Wig. Now look at that lace, you guys. That lace comes pre-plucked for you, and it also comes pre-cut. Mind you, the knots are super thin, and when I put it on my skin tone, it just melts pretty easily. So that is the skin melt lace that they are referring to. Next, I'm going to show you guys the inside of the wig. So the inside of the wig has the combs and the adjustable strap, of course, for a glueless install, but that wig cap, you guys, is the new breathable wig cap. It's supposed to be a whole lot more comfortable, a whole lot more breathable on your scalp. God forbid you need to itch your scalp, you have room to do that. It also comes with the silicone base around the wig cap as well, just to make the wig a little bit more secure and more comfortable. Alright, so I did bleach the knots off camera. I did not do any additional plucking though. The only thing I did was bleach the knots just to my liking, but just like I showed you guys earlier, the wig does come with the knots basically really thin, so you don't have to do that. It's all preference. But now I'm just showing you guys the breathable wig cap and that silicone base, as well as the adjustable strap for a glueless install. And we're just going to go ahead and adjust that strap to our liking, well, to my liking, because I'm the one that's putting on the wig today. But make it as tight as you want, as long as it's comfortable, and then you just throw her right on. So once you pop the wig on, the one thing that you want to do is just make sure it's comfortable, make sure it's nice and snug, make sure it's lined up correctly, etc. And then all I had to do was just throw some makeup on the lace and style her, of course, which we'll get into in a bit. But I do just want to let you guys know that this lace closure is a 6 by 4.75, so it's supposed to give you the look of a full lace frontal, however it is a closure. So you have a lot of room to do plenty of different styles if you prefer to, alright? I also have this wig in 24 inches and the density is 150%, but she is so full because this is a Jerry Curly wig, you guys, so you're getting a whole lot of hair for a fraction of the price. Alright, so right now what I am doing is going in with my wax stick and my hot comb. You guys know that this is one of my favorite things to do. I like to make sure the top of my wigs are laying flat. Right now I'm just making sure the part is even though, and then I'll go section by section with the hot comb and the wax stick. But once I'm okay with where the part is and how the wig is looking overall, then I go ahead and I add some makeup onto the edges of the lace as well as that part area. And as I'm doing that, you guys will see that lace just immediately disappear. Alright you guys, what are we thinking? I think it's looking really good and it's already looking extremely natural. So now I'm going to go in section by section with the wax stick and the hot comb just to make sure the top of the wig is laying as flat as possible. You guys will notice the difference once I'm finished. Just make sure you do not run the hot comb through the curls because you don't want to damage the curls. I'm just doing it at the very top. Alright, this is what she is looking like right now. So it's not too bulky at the top, which is what I wanted, and I think it is looking extremely good. And I'm showing you guys once again that this is 100% glueless, no glue, no spray. I did not sneak and add any spray, I promise. So now it is time to style the rest of the hair. Now this is a jerry curly wig, which means that you need to be very cautious with how you detangle the hair. Definitely do not try to brush it while it is dry. I treat this as if it was my natural hair. So I'm going to split it into sections. I'm going to drench the hair first with some water. Then I will finger detangle, and then I will go in with a detangling brush before I add any product such as mousse. Alright, so this side is completed. So I did the other side off camera, and now I'm showing you guys what it looks like. The hair at this point was pretty much still wet. I want to say probably about like 60% wet at this point. But when it dried, the curl pattern still stayed exactly the same. The curl pattern is really, really, really pretty. I definitely recommend this wig to all of my beginners out there for number one. Also, summer is right around the corner, and this is one of the perfect wigs to have because of that breathable wig cap. It's 100% glueless, and this is a curly wig, you guys. Mind you, it comes pre-plucked plucked and pre-cut for you, so there's literally nothing that you need to do except throw her on. This is definitely a wig that you need to have in your collection for summer, or if you just need a wig that you want to throw on for work purposes, you need something that you could throw on and go. This is definitely the perfect wig for that. And you can never beat a glueless wig that looks extremely natural. You can't beat that. You can't. So I will have all of the information listed in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and shout out to SUNBERHAIR. They always come through with the best glueless wigs possible and beginner friendly. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.